Alright, what's going on everyone? Thanks for stopping by. So this is the Street Eliminator car. I've done a few changes. So the rear drag race concepts body mount broke. Then I pre-printed one, that broke, so I've just gone back to the original. Seems to be okay. That doesn't really bother me too much. Motor has changed. This is the old motor that I had in it before, which is the Trinity Drag Master whole shot. This is a 5-turn. So, gonna try and go to the higher turn, a bit more torque, a bit more power off the line. The biggest change though is the speed controller. Now it doesn't look like much, but we are now running the Maclan DRK Drag Race King. So I've got the 4.5 turn low tractions tune in it at the moment. So we'll go out, take it out on the street and see what it does. Let's go. Boom. Finally out of the freeze. 2.9 at 50. Alright, got a car coming. Joseph, off the road. Well, that wasn't quite the outcome we were hoping for, but we'll go back to the drawing board. I've got a few changes in mind for the car, perhaps looking at getting a wheelie bar made up for it, and working on my tyre prep game, because as you can see it was just spinning both left and right, meaning I don't think it's suspension issues, because if it was, it would just be pulling to one side. But we went left and right then. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and see you later.